In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower DOM. The DOM, or depth of market, is a focused view that shows you buy and sell interest at each price level and lets you place orders quickly and precisely. It's perfect for active traders who want to see liquidity and act directly from the price ladder. Start by opening Quantower and going to the panel's menu. If you prefer, you can use the search bar to find what you need. Select DOM Trader, which stands for Depth of Market. When it opens, you'll see a vertical price ladder with buy orders on one side and sell orders on the other. Prices are arranged in increments so you can instantly spot where activity is building. The numbers next to each price reflect available size, and they'll update as the market moves. Before placing any orders from the DOM, make sure the basics are set. In the Order Entry area, select the trading account you want to use and set your quantity. Double-check both, because the DOM is designed for fast execution, and your clicks will send orders right away. When you're using mouse trading mode, placing limit orders is as simple as a single click. To place a buy limit order, left-click on your desired price level on the buy side. This tells the platform you want to buy at that price, or better, which can help you control your fill. To place a sell limit order, left-click on the price you want on the sell side. That sets an order to sell at that price, or better. Limits are great for working orders at specific levels you've identified from your strategy. If you need a stop order, hold the Shift key and left-click at the price where you want the stop to rest. A stop order is designed to trigger once the market reaches your chosen level, which can be useful for breakout entries or for risk control. Placing it with Shift plus left-click keeps the workflow consistent while preventing accidental stops from a normal click. A few best practices will help you stay precise. Keep your cursor on the correct side of the ladder before you click. Glance at your account and quantity each time, especially if you switch symbols or sessions. And remember, what you see in the DOM updates in real time, so prices can move while you're deciding. That's the core workflow. Open DOM Trader, review the ladder, select your account and size, left-click for buy or sell limits, and use Shift plus left-click for stops. Take a moment to practice in a risk-free environment, and you'll be ready to trade confidently from the DOM.